Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the slow motion. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button at the center. We can also go to the right corner to this button where we can change the speed of the slow motion. We can pick from 240, and by tapping on this we can change this to 120. So this is how it works. Now let me stay on 240 and let me start recording to show you how it works. Now stop by tapping again on this button, and let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this one, we get quick access to the gallery and we can see our slow motion video. We can also use this slider to see the parts of it. As you can see, this is how to use it. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.